Hey everyone. So it is pretty late in the day right now. I'm riding with Asher, who's right behind me, and it's pretty late, so we're just gonna do a mellow trail that gets us home fast. And we decided to do Star Wars, so we're just gonna bomb the fire road right down to Star Wars. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh, and it just rained last night. Super nice. So dirt is prime right now. Definitely feeling the change of the seasons. Oh, and hooked flat. Oh my god. Fun little gap. I'm trying on going no brakes through here. Yep. There we go. Oh, and quick update. Finally ordered a wheel to replace the one that I cracked or bent or whatever. So that'll be coming soon. By the time this video is up, I'll have it probably. Dang, it's gonna be dark for Star Wars. Alright, let's do this. It's really dark. Dang, I bet you guys can't see anything. I can barely see anything. Dang, this is gnarly. Hopefully you guys can see something. One back. Dang, it's so dark. Dirt's really good though. Alright, gotta just send it through there. Come on. So I think I'm gonna make this into kind of a series where I don't use music. I want to call it Raw Rides, but everybody calls it that, so probably gonna call the first video that, and then if you could come up with a name, that'd be great. Something that like rhymes, kind of like Raw Rides or something. Oh, this jump. Oh, that's so sick. All right. And ooh, let's go. Made it up the climb, and that's Star Wars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And that's all I got for you this week. I hope you enjoyed this raw style of video. If you did, then let me know down in the comments, and I'll drop a couple occasionally. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.